Eero Max 7 is not a cheap option when it comes to home Wi-Fi and networks, but is it worth the price tag? I'm going to give you 3 reasons that it may or may not fit your home so you can make a good purchasing decision. Now, I've tested a lot of home Wi-Fi systems, and Eero Max 7 hits a lot of the major requirements that both tech enthusiasts and the less tech savvy folks will love. For example, this essentially brings you the max speed that you can get with Wi-Fi 7 today, as well as a 2,500 square foot coverage area with one node. It also allows you to connect up to 250 devices into your network with each Max 7 node. So it allows for a massive amount of devices and traffic. It can be entirely wireless, requiring only the basic Ethernet cable from your ISP's modem into one of the nodes, and then the rest of them can just be plugged into the wall and connected wirelessly. But for those of you who want to run a wired network, each Max has 4 Ethernet ports. That allows you to connect a lot of things next to one of these points using the Ethernet ports if you'd like. The Eero app and the setup process, as well as the management of all the settings, is very easy. I've been very impressed with how the settings are easy to find and easy to change, but you really don't need to change any of them. Most of the setup and the settings you will want are in the device as you get it set up the first time. There are some more advanced settings if you're a network savvy person, and you can even use these as the basis for a lot of smart home applications. They have Zigbee and Thread radios that you can use with Amazon's voice assistant. Now, some people will point out that there is a subscription service here, but I've never required it. It's basically some additional data and it sounds like some additional security, but I've never needed that with these. From a reliability perspective, these have been excellent. I have a lot of smart products connected to my Wi-Fi, and I'm constantly adding and removing things from my network. These Eero Max 7 points have run flawlessly, and what's been so interesting for me personally is that I've been able to mix and match with other Eero 7 units, and even other Eero 6, 6 Plus, or 6 Pro units. I even went so far as to upgrade my parents' network with one of these. And in the middle of their home now, they have a Max 7. That's providing them with Wi-Fi 7 throughout most of their home. So yes, these are expensive. It's a scary price tag if you're going to buy a 3-pack to cover your whole home. However, if you have an Eero network today, I would suggest that you just start with 1 or 2 of these and upgrade the main parts of your network. If you're looking at Eero as a new solution in your home, I would maybe buy 1 or 2 of these again and then use a less costly older Eero unit to fill in any remaining coverage gaps. These really are powerful and so easy to use that I can recommend them for someone who just wants to stop having Wi-Fi or network problems.